Welcome to Tridenlogy, the channel that's all about fascinating facts and discoveries.
In this episode, we'll talk about how to rebuild trust in your marriage after cheating. If you've experienced the pain of infidelity, know that there's hope for rebuilding trust in your marriage. Join us as we offer expert advice, practical tips, and real-life stories to guide you on the path to healing and restoring your relationship. Like, subscribe, and let's mend hearts together. 1. Accept responsibility. There is no way around it. You must accept responsibility for your actions. When spouses cheat, there is sometimes a propensity to blame their behavior on marital problems, real or imagined. The issue here isn't that you felt ignored, underappreciated, or unloved. Even in a healthy relationship, these can be real concerns, but the behaviors you do as a response are your own. There is no room for growth, progress, or improvement without accepting responsibility. It can be one of the most difficult stages, but it is always the first one that partners must take. 2. Sincerely apologize. You can apologize to your partner with sincerity if you accept responsibility. Accountability demonstrates an honest evaluation of what you did. More crucially for your relationship, it demonstrates that you are not blaming them. Apologizing without dismissing your partner's sentiments and concerns connects your words to your actions. It creates the necessary space for difficult conversations to take place in a secure, open, and healthy environment. 3. Put an end to the affair. These suggestions aren't necessarily in any particular order, and many of them will overlap. With the exception of this one, there is no way to recover trust unless the affair is ended. Cheating couples must be proactive in this regard so that the affair does not overshadow the relationship they are attempting to rescue. 4. Focus on transparency. During these chats, your spouse may ask you a lot of challenging questions. The first 3 suggestions above will be beneficial to both of you. Infidelity occurs naturally in private. It's only possible if you keep your partner in the dark. Rebuilding trust entails shedding light on the darkness. Concentrate on being open and honest with them. If they ask you an awkward question, resist the need to be defensive. Answer as clearly as can, even if it seems painful. These responses will not make anyone feel better, and that's fine. They're not supposed to. What they will do, though, is be truthful. For the betrayed partner, here are some tips. When faced with infidelity, the betrayed partner has a lot to comprehend. How you learn about an affair might add to the stress of dealing with it. However, if you want to save your relationship, it is possible, and you have the right to do so. After discovering adultery, many spouses feel compelled to leave. There's nothing wrong with that, but the opposite is also true. Many people decide to stay and find a way forward. Finally, the choice is always yours. 1. Don't personalize your partner's actions. Anger is a natural reaction to discovering an affair, but so does guilt. You may believe that something you did or said drove your partner to leave. You may question if you could have altered something earlier to prevent them from cheating. The truth is that cheating can occur regardless of a relationship situation. In the same way as unfaithful partners must accept responsibility, you should not blame yourself for an affair. Personalizing your partner's conduct is harmful to both of you. It incorrectly assigns blame to you and does not allow your partner to accept responsibility. 2. Decide on a way forward. As previously stated, trust can only be rebuilt if both parties wish to save the relationship. True, but commitment seems differently on either side of this dynamic. If you were dumped, the option to invest in healing is entirely yours. This is more than simply opting to stay in the relationship. It's about deciding what kind of connection you want to have in the future. That will influence many of the ways you and your partner reconnect. 3. Be kind to yourself. Making your partner's affair personal can sometimes be a sort of self-punishment. The truth is that when your trust is violated, it has an internal impact on you. We trust our partners with our most guarded selves, not only our partners in a relationship. Allowing yourself to feel what you're experiencing is the healthiest thing you can do. When the time comes to convey it to your partner, it goes a long way. Being gentle with yourself can provide clarity. Above all, it helps you conserve the energy you'll need for the voyage to reconnect. 4. Focus on what forgiveness means to you. So, how can you convey your feelings to an unfaithful partner? So, just as there are healthy methods for us to communicate with one another, there are also harmful ones we should avoid. Reconnecting involves action on both sides. Your partner's goal should be to earn your forgiveness, and you may assist them by defining what that entails for you. Focusing on the healing you require is also a helpful approach to keep these discussions from devolving into disagreements. You can't decide to fix the relationship if you're the cheating partner. However, if your partner is serious about finding a solution, there are steps you must take. Remember that the discomfort you are experiencing is likely to be increased for the person receiving it. The process to repair trust begins with how you handle infidelity talks and the sincerity with which you approach them.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content on personal development and self-improvement. See you in next video.